everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Audi A6 C7 and I'm going to change spark plugs. And it's very easy DIY work, and without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing, we're going to open the engine cover. It's very easy to open it. You put your hand on this side and you lift up. Just like that. As it lifts up in the front, we're going to lift up on the back. So the engine cover is held by these locations. So we're going to open this coil pack, and which hold by the Torx number T30. We're going to open that. So once you remove it, keep it in safe place. So after removing the Torx screw, we're going to open the coil pack, and the coil pack has a lock 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they're very easy to come out. You press it down and it clicks back and it's open up. Supposingly it's too tight, then you put a screwdriver and just slide it out. This one is open. Now we're going to open these. These are the connectors. We're going to pull these out, electrical connector. This is the lock. We pull this one on top and then take these out. The whole reason we're doing it, when we going to remove the coil pack, we have enough room. See, they are so easy to come out. Only there are two of them, they are tight, and now this one come out too. We need to press this one out. So we remove these. Once it's removed, now we're going to pull the coil pack down. So we pull this one on the back. This is how it comes out. And now we're going to remove these coil packs, and you pull these out. If they're hard to take it out, just wiggle it a little bit, they will come out. So these are the spark plug, and now we're going to use the socket and we're going to remove these. So once we remove it, this is how the spark plug comes out. So now I'm going to take out the second one. So we're going to remove all the 4 spark plugs the same way. So once it's loose the same way, we're going to take it out. This is the last one. So that's how we remove all the spark plugs. So these are the old spark plug, and I'm going to use radium. And these are preset spark plug. I'll list the part number under my description, and you don't have to do anything. They are preset. You just take it out of the box and just plug it in. Let's put these on. We're going to take it out of the box, and this is the spark plug. And it's always good idea, you put it inside your socket, then you drop it in straight, and then we're going to do the hand tight. No forcing, keep tightening with the hand. Once it's tight like this, then we're going to get the ratchet, and we're just going to give quarter turn. That's it. You don't need to tighten too much. I'll show you one more. So the same thing, we'll put that spark plug again into the socket, and we're going to place it in, and then we're going to do the hand tie. Once it's tight, then we're going to do like a quarter turn. This is it. And we're going to do the same thing with the other two. So I'll finish it the same way. I'm done with the third one also. We're just going to do the quarter turn, and now we're going to do the fourth one. We are done with the fourth one also, and we're going to put the ratchet. This quarter turn, this is good enough. And we all done. And now we're going to place these coil pack. They are very easy to put it in. You just drop it in straight, and we're going to put it in like that. You heard that? Then we lock it, the last one. And that's it, we all done. That's how it's easy and simple to change the spark plug. And now we're going to place the cover back in. Then we're going to put the cover back in, and then we press it up. And that's how it's easy to change the spark plug on your Audi A6 C7. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.